If you are looking for the best price section indicator, look no more. In this video, I will guide you step by step the best price section indicator in the whole Tradingview. From all kind of traders at some point using price section, right? But when it comes to finding the best indicator, it's kind of hard. In this video, I will guide you through that. So in my screen, you are seeing everything you need, literally. The previous day lows, the order blocks, the trend lines, the fair value gaps, the inversion fair value gaps, you name it, and this indicator has the break of structure, the change of character. I don't even talk about that, right? So what is this indicator, Borsa? This indicator is go-to indicators tab. Get ready. You will search for price action and you will see from Fluxcharts. It's the price action toolkit. I know it's a paid one, but trust me guys, it's worth every penny and I got you covered. If you want to get it now, there is a great discount. Use code BORSA to unlock it. So to use this indicator, click to add your chart. And now after you add it, we will go to settings and I will guide you through that. What does it have? Is it worth your money or not? So it has the fair value gaps. Let's start with the first one, show historic zones. I don't use it, but if you want, you can enable. Fair value gaps come with the volumetric info, which is crazy. You can see how many buys and sells inside of that fair value gap. It's crazy, right? You can adjust sensitivity, invalidation method, and the deduction method. Also, inversion fair value gaps, the same settings, the order blocks, the breaker blocks, liquidity grabs. Most of you guys love it, and time frames is crazy because you can now set for 1 hour. Let's say I only want to see the 15 minutes. It's fine. I don't want to see the chart time frame. That's fine, right? The market structure, you can see break of structure, change of character, and the change of character with the strong icon. Beautiful. Equal highs and lows, the trend lines, the buy and sell side liquidity, the most of you guys has been using, premium and discount zones, the volume imbalances, and MTF highs and lows, my favorite. Also, it comes with the sessions, the New York, London, Asia, Frankfurt, and all New York morning, lunch, and afternoons. And if that is not enough, you can set alerts for all of those. The order blocks, the liquidity grabs, the trend lines, the equal lows, you name it, and the price action toolkit has it. And if you don't know how to set up alerts, you just come here, you hit the plus icon, and you will choose the price action toolkit for the condition. And if you want, you can just choose any alert function call. You can just go and disable on the settings, or you can just choose here, like I want to see the bullish order block retest. I want to get alerts on the 15-minute time frame. If you hit the create, it will send you alerts automatically on your desired ticker. It's a beautiful tool. Now let's go deep on this. I think one of the greatest feature is that you have all of those features with the one indicator, right? And when you buy the Fluxcharts Premium whole suite, what you will get is not just the price action toolkit, but you will get 9 indicators. You get the SVX algo, which I use daily. You got the screeners, you got the automations for the backtest. It's just crazy. Let's say you want to use the SVX algo with the price action toolkit. In that scenario, what you will do is, let's go back in time real quick, and you will get signals. But I always say one thing, you can just rely on the signal. You need more, you need liquidity, you need the confirmation. And when you add the SVX algo, which is a breathtaking indicator, if you don't know, the SVX algo is giving you buy and sell signals, and it is highly popular, right? It's been released on the 2023, and from that time there are like a lot of updates, as you can see, and it's working just flawless. And I use daily on my setups, as you guys know that. So let's say you received a sell signal from the SVX algo. What you will do, you will check around what's going on, right? There is a classic setup that I use all the time. It doesn't matter the ticker. I don't care what time frame you use. This works literally on all tickers and all time frames. Why? Because there is a set of rules that I follow all the time before I jump into trade. And tell us more, Borsa. Yeah, okay, I have 4 rules. The first is the signal from SVX algo. This is the only time that I use the SVX algo. The rest of the 3 rules is come from the price action toolkit. I need to get IFG or FVG. The third one is the breaker block or order block. And the final one is the cloud. Sorry, this is also coming from the SVX algo. So now let me explain each of them, right? So the signal is exactly this. The IFG or FVG is this one and that one. You get two better. A breaker block or order block, you have it right here. Beautiful. A lot of people asking me that, Borsa, I got signal here, but the order block is right here. Maybe like 10 candle earlier. Can I use that? Yes, you can use it because this order block triggered this signal. You can use that. Sometimes the most important thing is look at the chart, understand what the price want to do, okay? If the price taken out the highs like this, you expect a pullback. It's a completely normal. And when you have those confirmations, beautiful, go for it. Now, I will give you one more bonus. Since we're discussing the price action toolkit. Price action toolkit has this tool called MTF, which is what? You guessed it. These ones, which is the previous month low, previous day low, previous day high. Market always tends to go and take out those liquidities. Market always drives with the liquidity. If it's sitting there, sooner or later, market will go and take it. So with this setup, as you can see, you got all the confirmations. The final one is the cloud. What is cloud, Borsa? Cloud is this one. If it is blue, it's a bullish. If it is red like this, it's a bearish. So when you got all those confirmations, you go for the trade. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win. But in the end of the month, what we want is to see the green on our account. And a lot of people think that the win rate is everything, but it is not. There are people with the 40% win rate still making records every month. How is that possible? Because you keep losses small, the winners, that's the key. So if you see an A+ setup like this, you just go for it. You book your profits and you're done for the day. Don't overtrade, don't force the trade, don't revenge trade. You will be fine. That's the key. So guys, let me quickly show you the SVX algo settings and what you expect when you purchase it. Trading style, you can use any of them you want. So since we are a day trader, I go for the day trader. When I choose the day trader, I usually go for the medium term and my sensitivity is more or less between 10 to 15. So let's go for the 13th sweet spot. And I enabled the TP1, TP2, TP3. I don't use the stop loss here. Why? Because let me explain you. So when I go for the stop loss, I usually use the recent fair value gaps or IFGs. So let's say I took a short here. If the price goes above this line or this line, I'm not interested with, okay? I don't wait price to go and touch this stop loss. At least the worst scenario, I use this previous week high because if it goes above that, I'm saying that I come to a point that, oh, okay, the price just want to go up. I'm on the wrong side. Then I close my trade. It's easy. So there is a sweet spot when you got the signal. If you want to use the SVX algo, you use price action toolkit. Without the price action toolkit, you feel like you are naked. You need to use those confirmations, not for increase the win rate, but to see all the levels. Because if you close your runners early, there's no point for the trade, right? Let it breathe, let it go. So let's say you took a short here and there's a previous day and week low. You can hold your position till that point, and as you can see that it hit. I'm not cherry picking. This is the real data. And what is this date? Let me show you. Today is the 30th of July and you can see that it's just working. The green dot is here. You can go back and check with your eyes. It's a perfect. Every trader needs a great tool. I'm not talking about the signal. I am talking about a decent tools that help you decide you whether take the trade or not, okay? You need to focus on this. Because if you want to become a better trader, you need to understand the market. And if you want to understand the market, you need to understand the price action. The price action over everything. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, you can consider watching my other Fluxcharts videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.